Today in this video we're going to look at the top 5 water-resistant action cameras on the market. If you're interested in any of the products we talk about today, you can find the links down in the description below. So, without further ado, let's get started. Number 5. GoPro Hero 13 Black. Unleash your creativity like never before with a camera that's built to keep up with your wildest adventures. This powerhouse combines stunning 5.3K 60 video resolution with groundbreaking features that make capturing professional quality content effortless. Whether you're scaling mountains, riding the waves, or exploring urban landscapes, you'll be amazed by its ability to deliver crisp, vibrant visuals and incredible 27 megapixels photos, making every moment unforgettable. For those who love pushing boundaries, the new HB series lenses open up a world of possibilities. Capture the most immersive POV shots, zoom in closer than ever, and create cinematic magic with anamorphic footage or dreamy motion blur using neutral density filters. Pair this with Hyper-Smooth 6.0 stabilization, and you've got buttery smooth footage, no matter how intense the action gets. Say goodbye to interruptions with the more powerful Enduro battery, which extends recording time across all weather conditions, so you'll never miss a moment. And the updated mounting system gives you the ultimate flexibility, letting you attach it virtually anywhere to get the perfect angle. Plus, with the Auto Boost stabilization feature, your shots will look effortlessly professional, saving you hours in post-production. Seamlessly auto-upload your footage to the cloud too and enjoy instant highlight videos that make sharing a breeze. Add to that the ultra-responsive touchscreen, and you have a camera that's as easy to use as it is exciting. Ready to elevate your content game? It's time to grab the ultimate tool for creators and adventurers alike. Number 4. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Imagine capturing every thrilling adventure, vibrant cityscape, or quiet nighttime moment with unmatched clarity and ease. This next-level action camera is a game-changer for creators who crave incredible visuals, smooth operation, and all-day reliability. Its new 1/1.3 sensor ensures your nighttime shots are as stunning as your daylight ones, perfect for biking through dark trails or exploring urban nightscapes. Say goodbye to shaky footage and hello to smooth, stable shots with 360 degrees horizon steady technology. Whether you're vlogging, skiing, or capturing action-packed sports, your footage will look seamless and professional from every angle. And with vibrant dual OLED touchscreens, you'll enjoy crystal-clear visuals, whether you're framing your shot or rewatching your latest masterpiece. Thanks to its advanced 4nm chip, tracking fast-moving subjects is effortless. Keep the action in focus with precise framing, whether you're shooting in 16:9 or 9:16. For creators on the go, the extended 4-hour battery life ensures your adventures aren't cut short, letting you capture every moment without interruption, no matter the weather. Audio enthusiasts will love the seamless DJI microphone connection, which delivers clear, professional sound without the hassle of extra receivers. Ideal for solo vlogging, moto vlogging, or any dynamic scenario. With its standard combo of accessories, this action camera offers flexibility for upgrading as your creativity evolves, making it perfect for beginners and pros alike. Ready to transform your adventures into unforgettable content? Get set to capture life from every angle like never before. Number 3. Akaso Brave 7. Adventure knows no limits, and neither should your camera. Designed for every weather condition, this all-weather action camera lets you capture life's most thrilling moments with ease. Its IPX7 water-resistant design protects against rain, snow, and splashes, and when paired with the included waterproof housing, it's ready to dive up to 131 ft, 40 m underwater. Perfect for snorkeling, diving, or braving stormy heights. The innovative dual-screen design ensures you're always in control, whether you're vlogging or capturing the perfect selfie. The vivid front screen makes framing yourself a breeze, while the intuitive 2-inch touchscreen on the back simplifies navigation and adjustments. Switching between screens is as easy as holding down the mode button. No fuss, just seamless operation. With stunning 4K video at 30 FPS and sharp 20 megapixels photos, this camera ensures you never miss a detail of your adventure. The improved 6-axis electronic image stabilization 2.0 delivers smooth, gimbal-like footage even in fast-moving scenarios, making every moment cinematic. Packed with creative tools like digital zoom, time-lapse, burst mode, and fast motion, this camera takes your footage to the next level. And with the included accessories, 2 rechargeable batteries, a remote control, waterproof housing, and mounting kits, you'll have everything you need to expand your filming horizons. Whether you're capturing a mountain summit, an underwater dive, or your daily life, this action camera is the perfect companion to elevate your storytelling. Get ready to make every moment extraordinary. Number 2. Insta360X4 Action Camera. Capture your world in breathtaking detail and stunning clarity. This cutting-edge action camera brings unparalleled 8K video resolution to your adventures, ensuring every shot is packed with vibrant detail. Whether you're exploring rugged landscapes, documenting urban escapades, or creating dynamic action shots, this is the tool you need to elevate your storytelling. Equipped with advanced CMOS photo sensor technology and a maximum aperture of just 2 mm, this camera performs brilliantly in various lighting conditions, capturing crisp images with remarkable depth. Its compact 35 mm focal length adds versatility, allowing you to shoot everything from wide landscapes to close-up action with ease. With seamless USB connectivity, transferring files is hassle-free, while support for microSD storage ensures you never run out of space for your creative projects. The intuitive 2.5-inch screen provides effortless control over settings and previews, making your shooting experience smooth and enjoyable. Number 1. Akaso EK7000 Action Camera. Get ready to capture your adventures in stunning detail and clarity. With professional-grade 4K 30fps video and 20 megapixels photos, this action camera brings your memories to life with vivid, ultra-high-definition quality, 4 times the resolution of traditional HD cameras. Whether you're scaling a mountain, diving into the ocean, or exploring a bustling city, every moment will look crisp and unforgettable. Smooth and steady footage is effortless thanks to built-in electronic image stabilization, ISE. Even when you or your subject is on the move, your videos will maintain a cinematic quality that's free from shakes and jitters. And with its durable waterproof case, this camera is built to withstand extreme conditions, letting you dive up to 131 feet underwater. Perfect for snorkeling, surfing, or simply braving the elements, it's ready for any challenge.